Good afternoon, students. Yesterday we have done two theorems. Today I am going to explain you third theorem of the chapter circle. Theorem is the line drawn through the center of the circle. This is the center of the circle. The line drawn through the center of the circle to bisect a chord. AB is a chord. Means to bisect a chord is perpendicular to the chord. Is perpendicular to the chord means we have to prove that this angle is 90 degree. We have what we are given. It's given that AB is a chord with center of the circle with center O and radius R, you can say. Since it is given that to bisect a chord means AM is equals to MB. It is also given. We can say MB, M is midpoint of AB. So AM is equals to MB. So two things are given, that AB is a chord and AM is equals to MB. What we have to prove is OM is perpendicular to AB. What we will construct now, construction is that join OA and OB. Now starting the proof, in triangle AOM and triangle BOM, students, OA is equals to OB. It is the radius of the circle or radii we can say. AM is equals to MB, it is given to us. Thirdly, OM is equals to OM, common side. Therefore, triangle AOM is congruent to triangle BOM by side rule. This implies angle OMA is equals to angle OMB by CPCT. But what we have to prove, we don't have to prove that both are equal. We have to prove that angle OMA is equals to 90 degree. That is, we have to prove the perpendicularity. So what we will do, since AB is a chord, it is a straight line, we will say that angle OMA plus angle OMB is equals to 180 degree. So linear pair. So this implies angle OMA plus angle OMA is equals to 180 degree because both of these angles are equal. This means 2 times angle OMA is equals to 180 degree. So this implies that angle OMA dividing by 2, dividing 180 by 2, we will get 90 degree. 2 1s are 2, 2 multiplied by 90, it's give 180. So this implies that angle OMA, that is OMA, is equals to 90 degree. If it is 90 degree, this implies that OM is perpendicular to AB. That's all for today. Thank you. And write this theorem in your fair notebooks. Okay.